Namaste friends. After making the citrus soap nut bioenzyme, let us now see a very easy method where we infuse the soap nut shells in citrus bioenzyme. This is a simpler method of making soap nut bioenzyme. To make this, we need just three ingredients: soap nuts, citrus bioenzyme, and water. That is, we take 1 part of soap nuts, 2 parts of the citrus bioenzyme, and 2 parts of water. First of all, rinse and soak the soap nuts till the soap nut shell fibers become softer to touch, around 18 to 20 hours. Then we start adding the contents into a clean plastic container. So here first we add the citrus bioenzyme and then the soaked soap nuts along with the water in which they were soaked. We may even use the soap nuts along with their seeds. And we can also add all the ingredients at once without soaking. But soaking ahead the previous day makes the soap nut fibers softer, because of which we can extract more saponins from the soap nuts using citrus bioenzyme. Once you add all the ingredients into the container, close the lid and infuse these soap nut shells for around 15 days in this liquid content. After 15 days, when the liquid would have turned slightly darker in color, it is ready to be filtered. If you have a container with a tap attached to it, we can directly collect the liquid part. That's it, our product is ready. We can use this product to clean various things in our home, either to wash our dishes, laundry, or any other place like kitchen countertops, furniture, etc. The leftover soap nut shells after filtration can be re-infused in citrus bioenzyme directly. No need to add any water again. Or they can be dried under the sun and powdered, which can be used as dishwash powder. After re-infusing the soap nut shells for 2 or 3 batches, depending on the quality of the soap nuts, we can then just compose the leftover soap nut fibers. I hope you'll all make this amazing soap nut bioenzyme, which is very easy to make, requires very less time, and also generates foam. It gives us great satisfaction while cleaning. So if we want to make a cleaner very quickly, this is the one to go. Thank you all so much.